Hello everyone, how are you all? Student, as you know, in previous audio we have started our lesson number 11, which is days to celebrate. In that audio we have covered the topic national festivals, which include Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So today we are going to start with religious festivals. In this, first is Holi. Holi is a festival of color. It is celebrated with joy and fun. People sing and dance. They throw colored water on each other. Holi also marks the arrival of spring season. Okay, student? Holi is the festival of colors because on this festival we play with color. We play with colored water, balloons. Okay, we apply color on each other and we fun, we enjoy, we sing, we dance on this day. And this festival is also marks the starting of spring season, which is very good. So next is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights because we decorate our houses with diyas, candles, lamps. Okay, so this festival is also known as festival of lights. It is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Rama to his kingdom after 14 years of exile. डू यू नो वाई वी सेलिब्रेट दिवाली? बिकॉज ऑन दिस डे भगवान राम जो थे ही केम बैक, वो वापस आए थे अपने किंगडम, अपने राज्य में वापस आए थे आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग 14 ईयर्स इन फॉरेस्ट इन एग्जाइल. ओके, so from that day we start celebrating Diwali. People decorate their houses with diyas, candles, rangoli patterns. They exchange gifts exchange करते हैं and sweets with friends and relatives. And what we also do, we worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi on this Christmas. The birthday of Jesus Christ is celebrated as Christmas every year on 25th December. Yes, students, you all know on 25th December we celebrate Christmas Day because it is the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay, people decorate Christmas tree, sing carols and exchange gifts. They offer special prayers at the church. It is believed that Santa Claus brings gifts for the children. Yes, students, what we do on Christmas Day? We decorate Christmas trees, sing carols means we sing religious songs and exchange gifts with our friends, our relatives. We also go to church to pray. And what is the belief? That Santa Claus always brings gift for the children. Next to this is Eid. Muslims celebrate Eid after a month of fasting called Ramzan. Okay, जो मुस्लिम हैं वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं ईद when they celebrate after 1 month of fasting, which is called Ramzan. On Eid, people wear new clothes, go to mosque to pray. Okay, Muslim people pray in mosque on Eid. They meet each other and say Eid Mubarak. They hug each other. They eat special sweets, which is called sweet dish, which is called Semia. Next is Gurpurab. The birth of the 10 Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Gurpurab. As you know, student, in Sikh religion there are 10 Gurus. Whenever there is birthday of any of the Guru, it is celebrated as Gurpurab. On Gurpurab, Gurudwaras are decorated. Huge processions are taken out. You know the processions, Nagar Kirtan. People pray in the Gurudwaras and eat langar from a common kitchen. Okay, students, we go to Gurudwara on Gurpurab, we eat langar. Okay, and processions are taken out on this day. Next to this is Dussehra. Dussehra is celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. As you know, goodness is representing Bhagwan Ram and evil is representing Ravan. So इसमें क्या हुआ था? जो बुराई थी उसकी हार हुई थी और जो अच्छाई थी, जो राम जी थे, उनकी विजय हुई थी, वो जीत हासिल की थी उन्होंने. And we also called Dussehra as Vijayadashmi. So that means it's another name of Dussehra, which is Vijay Dashmi. Next to this is Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the biggest festival in West Bengal. People wear new clothes and worship goddess Durga for 10 days. On the last day, the idol of the goddess is immersed in the river. So, बच्चे now question is which is the biggest festival in West Bengal? So, what we'll say? We say Durga Puja. And on this day, people wear new clothes. They worship goddess Durga for 10 days. And on the last day, the idol of the goddess is immersed in the river. जो माता दुर्गा जी की मूर्ति होती है उसे क्या करते हैं, वो रिवर में इमर्स्ड करते हैं, ओके, नदी में बहा देते हैं उन्हें. सो नेक्स्ट आर हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स विच वी विल डिस्कस इन द next audio. Till then student, you have to read this lesson carefully again. Thank you so much. Take care.